The need for football development at the grassroots level has long been heralded as the way forward locally. The Portmore Sports Association is ensuring they do their part following the kickoff for the third staging of the Alacta Plus Portmore Basic Schools football competition.
$2 million has been pumped into this year's staging of the competition, and stakeholders are ensuring that in providing the necessary tools to harness talent from a young age, it's not just boys, as at least 2 girls are mandated to be on each team. 21 teams are taking part in this year's competition, up from 18 last year.
It's a total of 71 games. I am expecting 71 high-energy games. I am expecting any and everything from these young kids.
Meanwhile, in the opening round of matches played at the Portsmouth Primary, Ascot Infant started the defence of their title on a losing note, going down 1-0 to newcomers Majestic Gardens Infant in Zone 1. In the other encounter in the zone, Elim Early Childhood Institution went down 3-0 to Silverstone Basic. Over in Zone 2, Waterford Infant blanked Harvest Temple Basic 3-0, while it ended 0-0 between Spanish Town Infant and Greater Portmore Infant. Union Gardens Infant were 1-0 winners against Portsmouth Basic, and Bridgeport Infant played out a 2-2 draw with the Sabina Infant in Zone 3.
Extremely happy. I believe we may have had around maybe 1,000+ persons here today, including footballers, parents, coaches, principals, stakeholders, of course our sponsors, reps as well. So I'm extremely proud of the turnout today.
In the meantime, Early Bloomers Academy won the dress parade, with Ascot Infant finishing as runners-up. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.